What's up, people? This is Cindy Beard. It's definitely the king herself, but I want to come on here today to speak to you as Mrs. Cinderella Sanyu Okuyo. Okay. Recently, Naina interview ne Zubeda, which went viral. A lot of you watched the interview, and we had a trying a conversation. And no, Zubeda. If in fact she's amazing as a journalist, I like. Naganyengirija Angoye later. It's so freestyle, but also it's very real. So I'd like to appreciate her for that interview. I didn't know naye waliwo ebigambo bye nayogera bye mutaategeera oba bye mwatwala mu ngeri endala, because I said one thing but abantu engeri gye bakitwalamu yali ndala nnyo, because recently I had gone out to I was out at a sauna. I went for a steam bath, me and my sisters, and I overheard somebody saying, "I was Cindy mwagala nnyo because yawasa omwami," when I was like, Wolan. There is nowhere Sina when agamba kontina wasa omwami wange. That is disrespecting Mr. Okuyo, and actually above all that is not true. When we had that interview, I may have said some things the wrong way, so today njagala okukitereeza. What I was trying to say is that when ali omuto mu age yange y'okudatinga naddala after my baby daddy, nasalawo after the baby daddy of my first child, nasalawo nti nze I'm not moving into a man's home anymore. I got tired. I was too busy to start playing that drama. I'm gonna have a comfortable house that a man can come and live in. Okay, so mungeri eyo bwabanga njagala ajja kujja wano abiri nange, bwabanga yeragata njagala ndi. I mean, that would be a sign for me. If he doesn't want to move in my house, that means he doesn't love me enough. That is just a personal decision that I made. So fast forward, this is a decision I made even before I met Mr. Okuyo. Okay, so even my ex-boyfriend, for some of you who know a bit of my dating history, even I made that decision before I met Kenny. So even when I met Kenny, he had to move into my house because those were my rules. If you don't like the sofa that is there, you buy another one. If you don't like the TV that is there, you buy another one. But you move into my house, so that if at all at any point we break up, you get out. Okay, that's a decision that I made because natuka nenkoa. So that's not that bit is true, but that was way before I met my husband. So when I met my husband, exactly the same thing. He had his own plans, but I told him, if this is something you want to try and get serious with, you have to move into my home, and that is not an issue. And he moved into the house that I was renting at that time. So we started our life there. So but then of course when we decided to get married, I'd like to be clear to all of you that my husband married me. I did not marry him. Okay, he paid the cows, he paid the goats, the chicken, whatever, and the cash that was asked of him, and he married me the right way. I didn't do that myself. I do not advocate for any woman to marry herself. Okay, I think all of you are worth dowry. If a man wants to marry you, he should go through the process depending on his pocket or depending on his family, because marriage is not one person. Like the whole clan comes together, the family comes together to make this work. And I was blessed that my husband married me the right way. We paid the bride price, and we started doing things together. So since then, every property we attain, the houses, the whatever businesses we do together. Okay, that is not something that I do on my own. No, we build together, we live together, we move together. Okay, it's not the same, but this is just something that I'd said in my dating life. Okay, so siwasanga kwa musajja. Musajja yampasa. Moving into your house does not mean marrying you, or does not make you the alpha and the omega in the relationship. It's just a house. So I just wanted to correct that. I advocate for women to make their own money. By all means, mchala, muwala, make your own money. Okay, secure your own bag, so that at the end of the day you have your own security. To stop depending on these men is not a good idea. This is 2024. There shouldn't be women at this age abagamba nti nze njagala omusajja ndabirire take care of me and take care of everything. No, it shouldn't be that way. Have your own money on the side, so that in case you meet an ass Forgive my French. Not having money is not does not make you a good wife, does not make you submissive. It just makes you broke and desperate. Okay, so women, make your own money, but I don't advocate for women to marry themselves, and that did not happen to me. Okay, so stop disrespecting my husband. All right. Okay, that's it. Bye.